What if you could bring a new generation of ventilators to market years faster, without the cost, complexity, and risk of developing a platform from scratch? That's exactly what we offer at IMT Innovations. The Box platform is much more than a ventilator technology. It's a complete respiratory care platform that can accelerate the strategy of both established medical device companies and new market entrants. Our partner receive access to a proven technology platform, a validated manufacturing system, and continuous product innovation. Whether you are expanding an existing ventilation portfolio or building a new business, the Box platform provides a significantly faster and lower-risk path to market. And our work doesn't stop after technology transfer. We continuously invest in new clinical features, AI capabilities, and future hardware developments that strengthen the entire platform. Using our AI-ready architecture together with a new lung simulation technology, we are developing intelligent ventilation algorithms that automatically personalize therapy and supports clinicians in delivering better patient care. Our vision is simple. We don't want to become the world's largest ventilator manufacturer. We want to provide the world's most advanced ventilation platform, enabling our partners to bring the next generation of respiratory care to patients around the globe.